Hi everyone. In my previous I discussed about arithmetic micro operations and which operations we will perform, that is binary adder, binary subtractor, binary incrementer, decrementer. In this video session we will discuss about arithmetic circuit in which we develop both addition and subtraction as well as increment and decrement operations. As it is very difficult to develop an individual addition circuit, subtraction circuit, increment and decrement circuit, the programmers used to develop a 4-bit arithmetic circuit which will perform addition, subtraction, increment and decrement in a single circuit. Here we consider a full adder consists of 3 input lines and 2 output lines. Here first input line x0 is connected to A values and second input line is connected to output of 4 multiplexers, and the third input, which is carry input, is taken Cin, and the two outputs are taken as one is output which shows the output value and other output is connected as an input to the carry input of next full adder, and finally we will get a final carry output. And in a multiplexer we take 2 selection lines to select which operation has to perform in the multiplexer. When the selection is 0, then it will select 0 line which is B0 as an input, and when the selection 1 it selects B bar as an input, which is the first 1-bit pin B0 bar, and when the selection lines are 1 0, we select second line which is the 0 pin, and when the both selection lines are 1 1, we select 1 as an input to the multiplexer, which is the third pin in the multiplexer. How the operations will be performed we will discuss. Here when both the selection lines are 0, B0 as an input to the multiplexer. When B0 is an input, it gets B0 as an output. A0 is the first pin given, first input pin given to the full adder, and Y0 is an output pin which is given as an input to the full adder. So A plus B, which gives an output which is an addition operation. And coming to the second one, when the carry input is 1, we increment the addition operation of A and B bits, so add with carry. And third operation, that is when selection lines are 0 1, when 0 1 is selected, we get B0 bar as an output in the multiplexer, so A0 plus B bar. When A0 plus B0 bar means subtraction, so when an carry input is added, so it will perform a subtraction operation. And coming to the fifth one, which is when the selection lines are 1 0, that is second bit of the third bit of the multiplexer, that is 2 pin, so it performs transfer of A. When this bit is 0, so it will get A as x0 as A and y0 as 0, and A plus 0 is A, so transfer of A. And when the selection line is 1 0 and C input is 1, so we get x0 as A, y0 as 0. So when we add 1 to A0, it will increment the data of A, and when both the selection lines are 1 1, it will perform decrement operation. Before discussing the decrement operation, we will discuss about decrement using 2's complement. Normal decrement means we will decrement the given value by minus. By using 2's complement means the given register bit values complement, and the 2's complement of 1 is 1 1 1 1. when it was 2's complement, it performs the decrement operation 11000. So here we neglect the extra bit which came as an output when we perform 2's complement, so the output is 1000. So this is equal to the normal decrement operation. So when both the selection lines are 1, so the input will be 1 and the A0 pin will be selected, and A0 minus 1, that is decrement micro operation. When A0 minus 1 is there, when we add a carry pin, 1 plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, so we get A as an output, which is transfer of A. I think so you understand the video, and if you have any doubts, comment below and please share to your friends. Thank you.